Mistakes can be deadly when designing and manufacturing safety equipment. In Linegar vs. Armour of America, we'll explore whether a bulletproof vest was defectively designed when it blocked all bullets that hit it, but nonetheless failed to protect its wearer. Highway Patrol Trooper Jimmy Linegar was wearing a bulletproof vest made by Armour of America when he was shot multiple times in a routine traffic stop. All 5 shots that hit the vest were successfully blocked, but the shots that hit other parts of his body were ultimately fatal. The primary cause of death was from a bullet entering through the side of his torso and piercing his heart. Although the style of the vest partially contoured around Linegar's body, it left the sides of his torso exposed. Although this design was safer than traditional vests that only protected the wearer's front and back, there were other wraparound style vests that covered the torso's sides. Linegar's widow sued Armour for strict liability and tort based on design defect in a Missouri federal district court. Armour argued that when the Highway Patrol chose this vest design for its troopers, the gap in coverage was obvious. This gap was also apparent to the troopers. Finding that the vest was defectively designed, the jury awarded Linegar's family $1.5 million in damages. Armour appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit.